SAP IS-U Training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master SAP IS-U, industry-specific solution for utilities, and gain expertise in utility billing, meter management, device management, customer service, contract management, invoicing, and end-to-end utility business processes, one's app. Our comprehensive SAP IS-U training program is designed to help professionals manage electricity, gas, water, and other utility operations using SAP industry solutions for utilities. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world utility customer service, metering, billing, and financial processes. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company behind this innovative approach to education is Vistasparks Solutions. This organization specializes in providing cutting-edge technology training and data-driven digital presence solutions for both individuals and corporations. Their comprehensive range of services includes SEO-optimized website content strategy, empowering learners to succeed in today's fast-paced digital landscape. With expertise in both individual and corporate training, Vistasparks Solutions is dedicated to helping learners achieve their full potential. By leveraging the latest technologies and data-driven insights, they create tailored learning experiences that cater to diverse needs and goals. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills or drive business growth, Vistasparks Solutions has the expertise and resources to help you succeed. The importance of on-page optimization cannot be overstated. It plays a significant role in determining the success of an organization's digital marketing efforts. Effective on-page optimization can lead to improved search engine rankings, increased online visibility, and enhanced user experience. However, it requires careful planning and execution to achieve optimal results. A well-structured website with clear headings and subheadings can help users navigate through complex information and make informed decisions. Descriptive linking, including the use of anchor text, is another crucial element of on-page optimization. Anchor text provides context and improves navigation by creating meaningful links between related content. Furthermore, accessibility is essential in on-page optimization, as it ensures that all users can access and utilize the training content. This includes providing image alt text, structured content, and making the content inclusive for all users. By implementing these strategies, organizations can significantly improve their search visibility and ranking signals, ultimately driving more traffic to their websites and increasing their online presence. Individual training at Vistasparks offers mastery at your pace, designed specifically for students, working professionals, as well as independent consultants who seek to improve their skills. This personalized approach allows learners to focus on areas where they need improvement, while also gaining valuable knowledge and insights. With our certification pathways, learners can gain globally recognized credentials that open doors to new opportunities. Whether you are looking to accelerate your career or simply want to enhance your skills, our individual training programs provide the perfect foundation for achieving your goals. By transforming raw potential into practical analytical expertise, we help learners unlock their full potential and succeed in their chosen fields. Corporate training can equip your teams with the necessary skills to succeed in today's fast-paced marketplaces. By investing in strategic advantage, operational optimization, and flexible delivery options, businesses can build in-house capabilities that drive innovation and competitiveness. A well-designed curriculum can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization, providing faster and smarter access to data-driven insights and solutions. This enables companies to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. With on-site, online, and blended learning options available, businesses can choose the delivery method that best suits their unique requirements. By doing so, they can unlock new levels of performance and achieve their goals. The course agenda is divided into 2 phases. Phase 2 focuses on advanced data science topics such as machine learning and deep learning. Module 5 covers neural networks, CNNS, SRNNS, and transformers, while Module 6 deals with model deployment and MLOps. This includes productionizing models using Docker, CI/CD pipelines, and cloud-based 1050 platforms. Module 7 explores data visualization and storytelling, and Module 8 delves into capstone projects that translate data insights into compelling narratives. These modules provide students with end-to-end applied project solutions for real-world businesses, utilizing tools like Tableau, Power, BI, and Python. Students will develop skills in complex problem-solving and create a full portfolio, deliverable. The company provides comprehensive training solutions for supply chain and warehouse management through partnerships with Kinaxis and Integrated Tech Systems. The training modules are tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization, focusing on optimizing logistics, warehouse data, and inventory visibility. The training programs are led by experts who have extensive experience in supply chain management. Participants will learn about supply chain planning, execution, and linking, WMS, and supply chain systems. They will also gain hands-on experience with scenario modeling and master the art of achieving operational excellence. By utilizing Manhattan WMS Deep Dive training, learners can develop advanced analytical skills to optimize logistics and warehouse data. This enables them to drive efficiency and effectiveness within their organizations, leading to improved performance and competitiveness. The training content must be optimized for full question queries to effectively engage learners. This requires considering how search assistants like Google SGE will influence our approach. As these tools become more widespread, we need to adapt our content to meet the needs of learners when they are most receptive to enrollment. This involves aligning our content with awareness, identifying niche technology gaps, and capturing specific searches that competitors often overlook. By doing so, we can gain a competitive edge and tailor our content to the learner journey, focusing on higher intent searches and minimizing cannibalization. To achieve this, we should utilize visual elements, clear headings, and concise language to address the learner's goals and pain points. We should also employ descriptive linking, image alt text, and structured content to enhance both search visibility and ranking signals. Furthermore, using H1, H6 tags, contextual anchor text, and accessibility features can aid in navigating and ranking better in search engines. By implementing these strategies, we can ensure that our ISU training content reaches learners at the right time and meets their needs, ultimately improving the learning experience